Hello guys, this is from Mrs. Abbie, and in today's video I am presenting to you a very special video, one that my husband wants to do, and that is style and decorate our bedroom with houseplants. Now I don't know how many houseplants you're going to be using or what types of houseplants he's going to be using to decorate our bedroom. He thinks that he can do a better job than I can. And you guys know that follow me knows that I do interior houseplants on my channel as well as how to care for your houseplants on this channel. So it is going to be a very special video because I love it when he participates with me and also give me his support in what I love doing, and that is designing and styling my home with houseplants. So at the end, I'm going to be rating him on a scale between 1 and 10. And I would love for you all at the end of the video to also rate him. He would love to know what you guys think. So first, I'm going to be showing you the room before he starts to style and decorate it. And then you will see him starting to decorate the room. So just stay tuned. Okay, honey, do you want to tell um, all of my plant friends how many plants you're going to be placing in the room? Or you don't know yet?
I'm not sure. It's going to be about 8 or 9, maybe more. I doubt it.
About 8 or 9 plants you're going to be placing in the room?
I'm not going to make it overcrowded.
You're not going to make it, you're not going to turn into a jungle because
No.
he knows that I do not like a lot of plants in the bedroom.
Neither do I.
But he doesn't like a whole lot of plants on his side of the bed, and that's his side over there. And sometimes he removes his plant from that side of the bed, especially before he go to bed. So I'm very sure that on that side of the room, he's not going to put that many plants, if any. But we'll see.
All right.
So you ready to get started?
I'm ready.
Okay. He's leaving out the room now, going into another room to get some plants, and he's going to be styling this bedroom. I'm very excited about this because he usually be the one that install all of my oh, art and pictures on the walls and curtains. And he knows a lot about house plants, so he's bringing in a runner. All right now. He's putting the runner on the table that we got in front of the bed, and that looks nice. So this is going to be very good. Oh, he's bringing in a plant. Looks like a peace lily. Did you select that pot for it to go in?
Yes, I put it in this pot
You
today.
put it in that pot? Well, it looks good because it matches the color that's in the room and the pillow over there with the green in it. You're doing good, baby. Okay. Brought in a peace lily. It's looking good. I can't wait for the Oh, let's see what he's bringing in. He's bringing in some stands. Okay, okay.
We'll place these two in front of the window.
Yeah.
It's got a little accent here.
So that's what you're going to bring because it is fall of the year. So a little orange towel. I mean, I would never put towels down, but he did, so it's fine. We try to see what he's going to be doing. Bringing a little design in. His telephone is ringing. Let's see what he's doing here. He placed the plant right here. And it is a golden pothos. Did you select this pot here?
Yes, I did.
Okay, you got the pots matching and the plants are matching. He put a golden pothos right there. Looking good so far. So let me back up so y'all can see it. Okay. Yeah, I know I like to put the same type of plants in here, but I think he's doing great. Okay, he's coming to his dresser, and that is his side of the dresser. That is his dresser, I'm sorry. And he placed a peace lily, and you decided to place this one in another pot similar to the one you have on the coffee table. And that looks good. It's looking good there. Okay. Let's stand here and see what else he's trying to bring in. Oh, now. Okay, okay. He's bringing in the Dracaena with some golden pothos that surrounds it in the bottom of the pot. That looks good sitting there, honey. Looks real good. Okay, doing good. Let's see what he's doing now. So I'm going to stand around here, and we're going to see what he's doing over there. He put another little orange towel, messing up all my towels. Okay. And let's see what you got there. You got two Dracaena, lemon lime Dracaenas. Are you going to place both of them over there?
No, I'm not. I'm going to place one over here.
I'm just going to sit one on that table.
Place the other one on the other corner.
He's going out of the room for, I guess, another plant. I don't know, but we're about to see. Oh, wow. He's bringing in one of my orange or my tangerine and cream pears. I had that in my living room once before. It's looking good. That looks good. Well, all right now. Let me go over here and see what he put over here. Okay. A Dracaena lemon lime on this table, and he is matching, the pots are matching from that side, and it coordinates with the pillar there. Let's see what else he's bringing in. Can I see what you have there? All right. They put another pothos in this pot right here. That's matching the beige and the off-white or cream color that's in the room. And he's bringing in a very pretty little baby. He potted that up, I think, on, what, yesterday?
Yep. I think that's enough for me today.
That's all? So how many do you have in here?
About 9.
About 9? That's pretty good for you. You don't usually like to have that many in the room, but that is nice. Let me see. I'm going to let him zoom around in the room, and he can tell you all about each plant as he zoom and get closer to each plant.
Okay, basically this is the Dracaena that I put on this corner on the side of the bed, which is my wife's side. Also bought a purse that is orange and white, coincide with her bed that she have already made with a little pumpkin color. On the other side is my side. I put a drape center there on the left side of the bed. Coming up the left wall, we have two pothos. I put the matching pots and the matching towels underneath on the matching stands. If you come up above the orange dracaenas and the orange cloths, you'll see, put the curtains up. I know the light is kind of dim and making it dark, but the curtains have a little bit of orange all the way across on both curtains. Hopefully you can see it. I'll probably get a better shot. And on my dresser, there's a peace lily, also on an orange cloth. On the other dresser, which is my wife's side, there's a masking as well as potho that I had replanted from seedlings and to bring them out. This masking was just redid yesterday. It was one that I cut off another one. I see it is growing very nicely. It's one of those plants that I just thought I needed to do something different with. Also at the foot of the bed, there's a peace lily with a runner across it. And it is very beautiful. It's kind of old. And also on the right side again, it's a masking with the potho at the bottom of it. It's kind of growing. It's almost as tall as my wife now. So, you know.
You funny.
It's growing beautifully. But this is just something that I figured I would try to do today. Hopefully you all enjoy it, like it, share it, comment on it. Let me know if you need to see me again.
Okay, guys, my husband did a fabulous job. I think so. I think on a scale between 1 and 10, I would give him a 6.5. I'm kidding. I would give him an 8.
11.
Well, he did great, except for he put my nice towels underneath the pots. Otherwise, he did real good. And I do understand why he did that. He wanted to bring in the orange color to match the curtains. And I think he did great. Okay, guys, that's it. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. And please subscribe, comment, like, and share. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.